Welcome to Learning English Practical. I'm Mary, your host and English speaking coach, and I'm so happy to have you here today. This is the final day of our 5-day English shadowing challenge, a journey where you've trained your voice, improved your fluency, and built real confidence in speaking English. Over the past few days, you've shown amazing dedication by listening, repeating, and pushing yourself forward step by step. In today's session, we'll celebrate your progress and finish strong with a set of motivational shadowing sentences designed to help you sound natural, confident, and proud of your English voice. So grab your notebook, relax, and speak along with me. Together, we'll make this last day powerful and unforgettable. You've made it all the way to day 5, and that's something to be proud of. Think about how far you've come since the first day. Your pronunciation is clearer, your rhythm smoother, and your confidence stronger. Learning a language takes time and courage, and you've already proven you have both. Today isn't just the end of a challenge, it's the beginning of a new stage in your English journey. Keep that excitement alive as we move into our final practice together. Are you ready? Take a deep breath, focus your energy, and let's begin. Before we start, let me explain why this challenge lasts for 5 days. A week has 7 days, right? In this program, you spend 5 days shadowing. That means actively listening and repeating sentences to train your mouth, your mind, and your memory. Then, on the 6th day, you review what you've learned. You go back to the most powerful sentences, listen again, and focus on pronunciation or new vocabulary. Finally, on the 7th day, you rest. Rest is important because it helps your brain store and strengthen everything you've practiced during the week. This rhythm, practice, review, rest, keeps your learning balanced and sustainable. You don't burn out. Instead, you build real consistency. So now, as we start this last session of the 5-day challenge, remember that your effort this week is setting the foundation for lasting fluency and confidence. Now that you understand the rhythm behind this challenge, let's get ready to move forward together. Today, we'll bring everything you've learned into one powerful practice. I want you to listen carefully, repeat after me, and truly feel the words as you speak them. Shadowing isn't just about repeating sounds. It's about connecting emotion, rhythm, and meaning. Each sentence you say today is a reminder of how much you've grown. So stand tall, speak clearly, and believe in your progress. You're not just learning English, you're transforming the way you express yourself. All right, it's time to begin our final shadowing session together. Take a moment to relax your shoulders, breathe deeply, and prepare to speak with confidence. Remember, shadowing is not about perfection. It's about rhythm, connection, and progress. I'll say each sentence slowly so you can repeat after me. Let's begin. I am learning and improving every single day. Repeat after me. I am learning and improving every single day. I am learning and improving every single day. I believe in my ability to grow. Repeat after me. I believe in my ability to grow. I believe in my ability to grow. Every word I speak brings me closer to fluency. Repeat after me. Every word I speak brings me closer to fluency. Every word I speak brings me closer to fluency. Mistakes are proof that I am learning. Mistakes are proof that I am learning. Mistakes are proof that I am learning. I don't need to be perfect to be confident. I don't need to be perfect to be confident. I don't need to be perfect to be confident. I enjoy every moment of my learning journey. I enjoy every moment of my learning journey. I enjoy every moment of my learning journey. New words open doors to different worlds. New words open doors to different worlds. New words open doors to different worlds. My voice connects me with people everywhere. My voice connects me with people everywhere. My voice connects me with people everywhere. I listen carefully and speak with clarity. I listen carefully and speak with clarity. I listen carefully and speak with clarity. Every lesson helps me understand life better. Every lesson helps me understand life better. Every lesson helps me understand life better. I can express my thoughts clearly and calmly. I can express my thoughts clearly and calmly. I can express my thoughts clearly and calmly. My practice today builds a stronger tomorrow. My practice today builds a stronger tomorrow. My practice today builds a stronger tomorrow. I am becoming a confident English speaker. I am becoming a confident English speaker. I am becoming a confident English speaker. I am grateful for every opportunity to learn. I am grateful for every opportunity to learn. I am grateful for every opportunity to learn. English is not just a language, it's my new voice. English is not just a language, it's my new voice. English is not just a language, it's my new voice. Excellent work! You've just completed 15 powerful shadowing sentences. As you spoke, you weren't just repeating, you were training your brain, shaping your sound, and strengthening your confidence. Every repetition built a new habit, and every word brought you closer to natural English fluency. I know it hasn't always been easy, but look at what you've achieved. You've shown patience, courage, and discipline, the true marks of a successful learner. So keep this energy alive. Revisit these sentences anytime you need motivation. Speak them out loud when you feel uncertain, and let your voice remind you how far you've come. You did it! You've officially completed the 5-day shadowing challenge with Learning English Practical. Take a deep breath and feel proud of yourself. You've spent these days showing up, practicing, and using your voice. That's not easy, but you did it. Remember, fluency doesn't come overnight. It grows quietly through daily practice, one sentence at a time. If you ever feel stuck or unsure, just come back to these lessons. Every time you repeat, you get stronger, more confident, and closer to your dream. Keep this energy going. Practice a little each day, and you'll be amazed at how far you've come in a few weeks. I'm truly proud of you, and I hope you continue this journey with me. Don't forget to subscribe to Learning English Practical for more English shadowing sessions, motivation, and new challenges. Keep practicing, keep believing, and never stop speaking. You are becoming fluent, one word at a time.